Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to share with you guys what my booth kind of looked like for my last craft fair of the season. This was my very first time. I have done 4 other craft fairs. So I did 2 last year, 2 other ones already this year, and this was my 5th one, I guess. So for the 5th craft fair, I finally decided to do 2 tables, okay? Not just 1, but 2 tables. And I don't think I'm ever going back to 1. So I was really happy to do 2 tables to figure it out. I had an L this time. I was like on a corner. I did an L and I really like how it turned out. I loved the amount of space that I had. I thought it was just fantastic. So I think in the future, I just need to get another like folding table in case I need to like bring both tables to my craft fair. This one, they gave me 1 and I had another one that I brought. But in the future, if they don't have any tables at all and I need to bring my own, I feel like I just need another folding table. But oh my gosh, such a difference, you guys. I was so happy to like lay everything out. My table still looked full, but everything was just kind of spread out more. And I really like how it looked. So I wanted to share with you guys what my table looked like. Obviously yours is gonna look a little different, but maybe you guys will get some ideas. I did also change the pricing on this one. Well, not the pricing. I just did larger labels than my other 2 craft fair this year that were just like really tiny labels, which I wasn't happy with. I really liked the large labels I did last year, so I went back to that. Laminated them so I could reuse them year to year kind of thing. And so I did the larger labels and I love how it worked out. So I wanted to share with you guys just in this video what my table setup kind of looks like. And then tomorrow I'll post another video of how this craft fair went and what I sold, what didn't sell and whatnot. So today, just the overview of the craft fair of what my table looks like. And then, like I said, tomorrow we'll do like the whole shebang kind of thing. So let's get into it. So here's my craft fair setup. This is actually the first time I'm doing an L table, so I'm doing 2 tables. I actually like how it's able to spread out more. So I have my greeting cards here. Everything is looking really good. These are my $3 each cards or 4 for $10. That one goes up there. Okay. So there's that. I actually laid out some other cards that I have. These are like my higher priced cards, but I decided to lay them out. You guys said to not keep it in a basket, so I'm trying this. And these are going to be great like money holders if they want to like mail it to somebody, so that would be great. This, I don't really know what I'm doing with that, but it's just there. My Christmas movie watching kits. I have my lip balm favors, and I did larger prices this time. I still have them on the baskets, but I did print out these larger ones so that people could see. These ones are the tea favors, my nail file favors, my nugget packs. Gotta put the tape away. These are the slap bracelets, my sticky note packs. I have my keychains. I decided to put it on top of a basket this time, and I'm hoping that'll be like easier. These are, I don't have a sign for this, but these are like the gift boxes. Mini note card sets. I forgot to print out a sign for my gift card holders, but it's okay. Gift tags. These are my card folios, and I have one as a display here. My sourdough starter with the jar cover. I have some random notebooks here. I think I'm just gonna try to do these for $5 this time. And then this is like my sourdough bowl cover kind of display. So I have like a set laid out here so people could see. And then I have the rest here. I even put on the wall that it's great for sourdough, great to keep flies out. I want to do more. I totally forgot I meant to do like reversible, machine washable I meant to do also, but you know, I was in a time crunch. So that is my whole setup right here. I actually really like the L shape. I feel like I've got so much more space and I don't even know how I fit this all on one table before. I hope you guys enjoyed that video of what my table setup looked like with the L shape. I personally really liked it. Let me know if you guys like it as well, if it looks better than my other setup in the past, which is the 1 table. That was like one of your guys' feedback to spread out a little bit more. So I did it, you guys. I did it. So I took your feedback into consideration. I acted on it and I did the 2 tables this time. So I'm happy with it. So I hope you guys like how it turned out as well. But yeah, anyway, so stay tuned for tomorrow's video where I'll share with you guys what sold, what didn't, how I did,
and whatnot. So that will be tomorrow. So hope you guys stay tuned, and I hope you guys have a fabulous rest of your day. Talk to you soon. Bye.